Hello folks, Richard Fontana here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Every single day, Amazon pays us hundreds of dollars like this, and like this, all without paying a penny up front and only working a few minutes per day. In total, I'm making over $500 per day, but how is all this possible? Well, I do the opposite of what everyone else is doing, and I promise you, I've never seen anything like it before. I avoid the traditional methods for making money online and do things completely differently. I don't use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. In fact, all I do is use a simple 5-second AI trick, a trick that taps into a $1.29 billion Amazon Prime video streaming loophole, which in turn pays me at least $500 per day in pure profit. To make this work, all we have to do is activate a secret AI loophole on the Amazon Prime servers and watch the commissions roll in. It's as simple as copying a few Amazon links, then pasting them into our secret AI streaming platforms, and then we get paid. Everything else is done for us by our AI automated systems. The best part about this is that I can make money both on my computer, smartphone, or tablet. Thanks to this powerful, never-seen-before loophole, whenever someone streams their favorite show on Amazon Prime, I get paid. As you saw earlier, these payments rack up pretty fast, and it really isn't that hard to crack consistent $500 days with this unique Amazon Prime AI loophole. And wouldn't it be nice for you to wake up to paydays like this? Well, now's your chance to start doing the same with the brand new Gravity AI. Gravity AI is by far the easiest and most profitable money-making system we've ever created. It exploits a $1.29 billion Amazon loophole to make us thousands of dollars in profit. When the third richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, integrated AI into the Amazon Prime video platform, he inadvertently left the door wide open. In most cases, AI makes something transformational and revolutionary, but this time round, he left behind something crucial, a gigantic loophole, a gaping hole so powerful, it's like an open vault of limitless, free, and laser-targeted traffic waiting to be tapped. And the best part? Jeff and his billionaire Amazon buddies haven't noticed yet. We realized pretty quick that under the right conditions, this loophole loophole could be used to tap into billions of daily Amazon users that are spending thousands of dollars a day on products at Amazon.com and legally skim big commissions into our accounts over and over. All my members that are tapping into this loophole are making at least $500 a day on average, completely passively with this brand new software. We don't need our own e-commerce stores, we don't need to sell any products, and we don't need to pay for ads. Here, let me show you how it works. Step 1, click on any of the buy buttons on this page and get a copy of Gravity AI. You'll want to do this now as we'll be closing this down soon to prevent saturation, so be quick. Step 2, activate the AI Amazon Prime Profit technology at the press of a button inside the Gravity AI app. This is where the magic happens. It taps into the $1.29 billion Amazon loophole, which is allowing us to get paid. Step 3, enjoy the power of automation. We're making hundreds of dollars every time we tap into this groundbreaking new Amazon Prime loophole. Once Gravity AI is activated, the commissions never stop rolling into our accounts. Nobody has done anything like this before. If I lost everything and had to start from complete scratch, the first thing I'd do is fire up the Gravity AI app. You can use Gravity AI from anywhere in the world, whether it's your bedroom or from the beach. You can set up your campaigns from your laptop, PC, mobile, or even your iPad. And remember, each campaign takes less than a minute to set up. This is free traffic and commissions on steroids thanks to Amazon. Now at this point you've seen the proof. You know how well Gravity AI works, but how much is it going to cost? Well, considering it's the same system that's making us a minimum of $500 per day, you can't really put a price tag on that. It's priceless. At a minimum, we'd have no problem charging $497 per month for access to this, and I'd have no problem getting hundreds if not thousands of people to pay this price, because it would quickly pay for itself. But I get it. That's a huge commitment to make, and I know it's hard for you to try out new things with all the scams out there. To give you a chance to access Gravity AI, I'll be offering it at a price that anyone can afford. In addition to the discount, you'll be receiving thousands of dollars worth of fast action bonuses. But this offer is only available for a limited time only. I can't give everyone this discount as it would overwhelm our servers. If you come back later, I can't promise you anything, and there's a good chance your spot will be taken by someone else. So please don't delay. What's the risk considering you're backed by our 180-day money-back guarantee? I'll even go one step further and give you personal one-on-one coaching if you fail. Yet, that's how confident I am that Gravity AI will work for you. What are you waiting for? The ball is now in your court. Click the button below right now to get Gravity AI while it's still available at the early bird discount price.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.